Dear Class 9 students, in today's video, we are going to discuss a lesson from your textbook Moments, Chapter 10, The Beggar. It's some portion we already discussed in the previous video. The rest of the lesson we are going to discuss now. You have seen that the beggar who was introducing himself in different streets in different way. Wherever he goes, he tries to express that he became a beggar by circumstances, not by intention. One of the streets he was telling that he had been working a school as a teacher for last 8 years. He was expelled from there due to some intrigues by his colleagues. And another street he was telling that he was a student, there also he was expelled. Now I become a beggar due to circumstances, not by intention. Sir, he said, laying his hand on his heart, the fact that I was lying, I am neither a student nor a school teacher. In the third street, he is telling that I am neither a student nor a school teacher. I am a member of the Russian choir. I am a member of the Russian choir and was sent away for drunkenness. I have a bad habit of drinking, due to which I am sent away, and that is the reason I became a beggar now. All these who noticed, the advocate Sergei noticed. But what else can I do? I can't get along without lying. No one will give me anything when I tell the truth. What can I do? Yes, I have no other way to find out my living. Without lying, I cannot collect money from the people. No one will give me anything when I tell the truth. So what can I do? What can you do? The advocate Sergei said. You ask what you can do. Sergei became angry. Coming close to him, work hard. That is what you can do. You must work. Yes, you become ready to work hard. You can earn money. You can find money for your living. Without doing work, nobody will give you money. Work? Yes, I know that myself. But where can I find work? How would you like to chop wood for me? Yes. What Advocate Sergei told him? He told, you can do work. I will find work for you. I am ready to give work for you. Can you chop wood? Can you chop wood for me? I wouldn't refuse to do that. But in these days, even skilled woodcutters find themselves sitting without bread? Yes, that was the answer Advocate Sergey got from this beggar. What? Even the skilled woodcutters are not getting job and not getting their bread. Will you come and chop the wood for me? Advocate Sergey asked. Will you come and chop wood for me? Yes, sir, I will, he said. Very well. We will soon find out. By telling that, he went. Sergey hastened, means walked hurriedly along, rubbing his hands, means he was on thinking. He walked speedily, hurriedly, and was in great thought. He called his cook out of the kitchen. Here, Olga, he said, take this gentleman into woodshed and let him chop wood. Olga, the maid servant of Advocate Sergey's home, and take this gentleman to woodshed and tell him to chop wood. That is the work Advocate Sergey given to this beggar. The scarecrow of a beggar shrugged his shoulders as if in perplexity. What is the perplexity? Means state of being puzzled or bewilderment, and went irresolutely, means hesitantly and undecidedly after the cook. He didn't hesitate all of a sudden, but his action shows that he has no intention to do the work. He was not interested to do this newly given work. But what to do? He followed Olga, the maid servant, towards the woodshed. It was obvious from his gait, his walk, it was clear that he had not consented to go. He had no intention to go and chop wood because he was hungry and wanted work. He was hungry bitterly and he was in need of money. That's why he followed the maid servant Olga towards the woodshed. But simply from pride and shame, and because he had been trapped by his own words. Yes, here it is clear that he had been trapped by his own words. He told many lies, and those lies took him towards the trap. It was obvious too that his strength had been undermined by vodka, and that he was unhealthy and did not feel the slightest inclination. Inclination means interest for toil, hard work. Yes, it was very clear that his strength had been undermined by vodka. The continuous use of consumption of vodka made him unhealthy, and he did not feel the slightest inclination. No slight interest he was showing to doing hard work. And the vodka, the liquor, completely spoiled his health. Sergei hurried into the dining room. From its window, one could see the woodshed and everything that went on in the yard. Yes, Sergei moved to the dining room. In the dining room window, one can see the woodshed clearly. From the dining room, through the window, Sergei the advocate was watching the beggar and Olga, where this beggar was cutting the wood. Standing at the window, Sergei saw cook Olga, beggar, come out of the yard by the back door and make their way across the dirty snow to the shed. Yes, he made it confirm that they moved towards the woodshed for cutting wood, that he can see from the dining room well. Dear students, with this I am winding up this video session. Our lesson or our chapter is not finished, that we will finish in another video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you.